Looking to boost your brain power naturally? These fruits are not only delicious, but also pack a punch when it comes to enhancing brain health and memory. First up, blueberries, often called brain berries. Rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids, blueberries protect the brain from oxidative stress and may reduce the effects of age-related conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Next, avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which promote healthy blood flow to the brain, supporting cognitive function and memory. Oranges are another brain booster. Just one medium orange provides all the vitamin C you need in a day, which is crucial for preventing mental decline and protecting the brain against free radical damage. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. They also help protect the brain from harmful free radicals. Don't forget strawberries. These red gems are high in anthocyanins, which improve neuron function and reduce inflammation, making them great for brain health. And finally, grapes, rich in resveratrol. They help improve memory and mood, while also protecting the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can give your brain the boost it needs to stay sharp and healthy. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button.